And this interview is being kept purposefully after a month to let you know how the participants are still flourishing once the class is over. Over to you, Revti, please.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Actually, I am not agree with you that our classes are over, because although our sessions might have winded up, but still, with our club, English Spoken Club, we are regular having interactions there. We are having our assignments. We are working as a team there. That as a mentor, Rutika ma'am is present there. She guides us, but one of our participant, they are taking the lead, they are having too much activities, so not a single time we felt that yes, the course is over and now all our books are closed and our English spoken is speaking is done. We are still on the same mustful mood, in the same what we can say, learning attitude. We are present there, and that is the beauty of Ritika ma'am, that although she has winded up her sessions, but still she is present with us as a mentor throughout this complete 1 month period.
Thank you so much, Revti. That is wonderful. When you people say such things, I feel that I'm doing my work really well. Yes, Revti. So, would you like to also share about the complete course? How did you transformed it? How that course transformed you, and what appreciations or what changes are you finding out?
Uh, Actually, when I used to speak in English previously, there was somewhat fumbling, or I used to forget the words, or whatever I was thought that I have to speak or I have to deliver the content. It was completely different when I was on the screen or on the my conversation mode. So here, ma'am has given some techniques that you can use. I'm not going to unveil all these things right now. Okay, you guys join the class and then you can learn the things. But ma'am has given us the techniques, and those techniques work in such a great way that it was discussed in our sessions, that 22 sessions, that we will be having such kind of interactions, or the future plans. So ma'am used to discuss with her students very frankly, and complete transparency is there. The transformation is visible. Uh, for me, I can say that my family people are also very happy, that they are saying that now your English is too much confident. You are using new words, and previously when I used to talk, I was just nodding the head like south and north. So now that thing, I have overcome this. That now I am speaking in very much steady mode. So this is just because of the techniques given by Rutika ma'am, and her very innovative, very fantabulous, very mischievous teaching way.
Yes.
And I would like to share one more thing, that my son is 13 years old. So whenever our sessions were going on, he was just nearby to me. And Ritika ma'am has taught us 7 C's of communications. So now what happened? He has written a book, and that book was going to be unveiled in NDRF Academy. So we were unknown that he has to deliver a speech, or whether those people will ask to say that Master Divyansh, you come on the stage and please let us know about your book, how who is the motivation for you and what all those things. So we were completely unknown, unaware of that. All of the sudden, when we entered in that room, they called Divyansh on stage and they said that, sir, please you guide about your book. Who is your motivation? How you written this book, and are you going to read the books again and again? You guys can trust me. There were 50 participants in that conference room, and all of those were some of from border security force, some were from railways, and all the government fields persons were present there, and they were aging from 21 to 50 years. So you can imagine a 13-year-old kid and all are experienced persons sitting in front of him. So he just climbed up on the stage, the days, and he started communication. I was literally in tears. I and his father both were in tears, that how is this happening? So it's just because of those 7 C's which